Come with me as I empty my fridge before going on holiday. I started with the mushrooms, fried them in some leftover jalapeno butter. Dish 1, done. Then, in the same pan, I fried some zucchini. Meanwhile, I boiled the last of my pulled beef stock and added bohu. While that was simmering, I seasoned the zucchini and dish number 2, done. Next up, in the same pan, halloumi. On the side, I made a quick salad with peas and sun-dried tomatoes. I also chopped up the watermelon. And that's it. Mostly cooked in one pan, nothing went to waste, ready in about 25 minutes, and it turned out super delicious. A bite better.